Hello everyone, and you are the title. I'm going to be showing you how to add fonts to TMPro text in Unity. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go here to the plus icon and create some text using TMPro. And if you haven't already, you need to import the TMPro essentials in order to get the text to actually show up. Now we can safely close out of this, and we see we have something here that says new text. So currently there is something in the inspector which is called the font assets, and this is the actual font for it. However, this is Liberation Sans and a font that they created themselves, and it doesn't actually look that good at all. So to make our own font, the first thing we need to do is come to the top bar and press Window. Go down to TMPro and press the Font Asset Creator. In order to add a font, we need to actually get a font from the internet. In the description below, I have linked this website which shows you how to get all fonts for free. All you have to do is press download on the font. Of course, you can use Google Fonts or any other font. However, I found this thefont.com was the easiest way to get fonts. So if you haven't already gotten a font, please be sure to get a font from the website in the description below or find some other website. Either way, you need a font. Once you have your font, you can go ahead and import it. So I'm going to right click inside of my project folder, press import new asset, and then I have my fonts right here. So I'm going to go ahead and import Octopus Game and Octopus Game Italic. I'll go ahead and press import, and it just automatically comes into my folder. And now the final step is to drag your font into where it says source font file, and then press generate font atlas. And finally, once you see the text shows up in this little window right here, you can press save as. Now you'll need to name your font, so I'm just going to name this TMP font. Press save, and now we see we have a font asset right here. And of course that name can be any name that you want. So next I'll come to my text, I'll click it, and then I can come over to where it says font asset right here. And all I need to do is literally drag this TMP font over to the font asset. And as you can see, the font just automatically changes to be whatever font I downloaded from the internet. If you had any problems with any step of this tutorial, please join our Discord server and we will help you out. This has been how to add your own TMPro fonts into Unity. I have been Developer Jake. I hope this was helpful, and we will see you in the next one.